What's up? It's great to see you guys again. So, we are done creating our document with Adobe. Let's get started with more things which is available under File menu. So here we have this new from template. The shortcut for that is Shift plus Control N. So we have the open recent file, and we have more options that here need to be described to you guys. So here these options, which is this version history, we have this invite to edit, share for review, new. So this is going to be all for the Creative Cloud. So here we're going to start from the new from template. So if you click at that, so the shortcut for that is Shift plus Control plus N. So I'm going to just click at that. So when you click at the new templates inside this directory with Adobe Illustrator, you can find this blank templates. So here the format for the templates is this format, which is AIT, and here the all format is selected. So this format is available that we can open with our Adobe. So here Adobe Illustrator, and under blank templates, if you click at that, so you're going to get all these blank templates, like you can get this CDKs, cards and invitations, business cards, brochure, and you can see this labels, promotional. So let me open one of the templates that's available here. So when you want to save your document as a template, so you have to save it in .ait. You should remember this extension. So we are going to open this business card. So this is a template that is available with Adobe. So here, as you can see, we have this business card as a template which is already saved here in the extension of .ait. And the next thing here, we have this open. So the shortcut for that is Control O. If you want to open any document, so you're going to click at that. When you click at that, so here we have all the formats which is available with the templates as well. So we can open .ai, .ait as the extension for Illustrator. And also here you can see we have this Adobe Illustrator, and we have more extension here that we can open with Adobe. So we can open with .sfg. As you can see, it's available here. We have this .psd, which is Photoshop, and we have more formats that is available here. So we can open like this Corel Draw. So simple, you're going to hold Control O on your keyboard to open any document. Not a new document. The new document is you have to hold Control N. And we have open recent files. So if you want to open any recent files, like here I have this modern rounded logo design, I have this business texture, and I have more things here which I can just click at that to open our recent project file here with Adobe. So the next thing under file menu, we have the close. So the shortcut for that is Control plus W. So I can close this document, but if I want to close all the document, so I'm going to click at this, and the shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus W. And if I just click on this close, so automatically only one document here is going to close. But if I want to close multiple documents, so I'm going to just click on the close all. So the shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus W. And if I want to save this document, so the shortcut for that is Control plus S. So I'm going to click at that. But if you want to save as, if you save this, let me make any artwork here on my artboard. I'm going to save that. So we're going to hold Control Save, Control S on my keyboard. So here I'm going to select the desktop, and you should not select the desktop, not a safe place. And here we have this .ai, .pdf, .eps, .eit, which is template for Illustrator, .sfg, and also sfg compressed. You can select one of these extension here. So I'm going to go with the AI. So we are going to just click on save. So here when you save your document, so you can see we have all versions available. So we have different version. We have this Illustrator CS4, we have this Illustrator CS, we have Illustrator 10, we have Illustrator 9. So we have different version. So with different version, you can see we have this subset fonts when percent of characters used is less than, and also we have some options with that. You can create PDF compatible file. You can like here include a linked file. So we didn't place anything here, and here we have this place. Let me show you. We have this place if we are going to place any document, and when you going to save the document here, or if you click on the save as, so you can see this option, which is this include link. Let me show you here. I'm going to click on the places used for placing a different document here. So we're going to place this EPS right here, and if I want to save this, so I'm going to click on the save and save here. And here we have this option for that, include linked files. So we have this file and the link is on the top, so I can click on the link for this document, which is .eps. So I can include the options here, the linked file, and also we have standard embedded ICC profiles, and you can use the compression if you want to. And also we have this multiple artboard that you can save. So we have only one artboard. If I want to add another one, so I'm going to click here and click on the plus icon on the top. So we have multiple. Now I can click on this save, or if you want to make a copy of that, click on the save as. So here we have the artboard option. So now I can check this option. So you can select this all, or you can just set the range for your artboard you want to save that. And also for transparency, we didn't use any transparency, but if you're going to use any transparency, so you can preserve paths, and also you can preserve appearance and overprint. So here I'm going to just click on OK. So now this document is saved on the desktop, and if I want to make another copy, and we are going to click on the save as, or you can click on the save as copy. So what is going to be the difference? So the save as shortcut is shift plus control plus S. So I'm going to click at that. So when you click at that, so now you can save as with a different name. If you just click on the save, so the document is going to replace here. And if I want to save it as a copy, so the shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus S. So I'm going to click at that. So when you click at that, so as you can see, we have a copy text that is already here, that is going to show that this is going to save as a copy here, and you just click on the save a copy. And also we have the save selected slices. So if you want to add any slices, so we are going to add slices here, like here slice tool. So we're going to add the slices. So if you want to save the slices, so you're going to click on save selected slices. So it's going to save all the selected slices. And here we have this save as a template. So if you want to save this as a template, click here, and here we have this .eit extension. So now if I want to just click on save, so it's going to ask me, would you like to save in the Firdaus folder instead? So if you click on yes, so it's going to save as a template. So you can open this document as a template from file menu. From here you can hold Control O, the shortcut, to open that. And also we have this revert. So if you click at that, so it's automatically going to revert to the save it file. So here we have this save it files. So we just click on this revert, and it's going to remove all the new things that we just added to this document. And also we have the search Adobe stock, so you can search inside Adobe stock. And also we have the place is really cool thing here with your Illustrator. The shortcut for that is Shift plus Control plus P. So if you open anything, if I click on the open, and if I want to open this colorful business card here, so it's going to open it with a new document. But if I want to place it right here, so I'm going to click on the file, and here I'm going to click on the place. So now I can select this business card. So here I can just click on my artboard, or I can make the area I want to put this just in this area. So I'm going to put this business card. So now we have this business card on my artboard. So this is how you are going to use all the options after you are going to create your document with Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learn how to use all the options with Illustrator. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads. So see you guys in the next video.